Welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick video of an upgrade to these walkie-talkies. This is based on the video I just put out about converting one to, instead of using the speaker, to use an LED, and that'll allow my wife, when she's wanting to come downstairs and perhaps making noise when I'm recording for audiobooks and whatnot, to not alert me with a big sound that comes out of a speaker, but just a little flash of the LED, nice and quiet, and then I can finish what I'm doing, and then she can come downstairs about a minute later. That's the idea we've had. Now I do want to thank Grandad is an old man, because he had a great idea, and that is to put a switch on the side, such that I can either talk to her on the walkie-talkies upstairs to downstairs, or switch it and the speaker won't work but the light still will. I also want to convert to USB, because these do take 3 batteries each and they only last for about a day on 3 AAAs, so you know, it's just better to use USB. Right, let's get started. Now this one is part of a pair with this one here, and we probably will want to use these in the future as a pair. So I'm going to do this very simply. I won't even be taking it all apart. I'll just solder to a couple of points on here for the USB lead to attach to, and then, you know, very simply, if I want to reuse these normally, I can just unsolder them. I was thinking of a little plug or something, but I don't even think that's needed. Just make it simple. This one, on the other hand, I'll be opening up to fit the switch, and while it's open I may as well connect to where the battery contacts normally go to for the USB lead. Right, so I've opened this one up. This is the one with the LED on it, and this is where I put the tape on for the speaker. So with the size of that, there's no way it's fitting inside. I will have to fit it outside. It doesn't really matter, like I say, it's just for my use. I'm not selling them on anywhere or anything daft. So I'll be gluing that to the side, and I'll just run the wires across. Alright, so there's the switch glued to the side, and I found out that the 2 leftmost pins connect together when the switch is in the down position, which I'll use for the speaker, and I'll interrupt one of the speaker wires. I'll connect one of the speaker wires all the time, and the other one will be switched on and off with the switch. So I'll do that next. And there we are. The red wire from the speaker connects directly. The other wire is the white wire that comes up here and comes back to the speaker. So that'll be changed by that switch. Give this a quick try and then move on to converting to USB. Alright, so now when I switch it on, we should get the bleep noise. Ah, there we go, and we did get a flash of that. I'll turn it off. Right, and if I move the switch and switch on, we should just get the light instead. There we go. Yep, that works. Right, now to convert it to USB instead of using batteries. Alright, it's back open again, and what I've noticed is, you might be able to see the bottom there, a couple of holes. What I'll do is I'll take the wire, I'll just grab hold of it, take the wire, lengthen it some there, such that I can pass those wires through one of those holes, and then connect up to where the batteries would go to. I think I'm going to put a diode in line as well, and that'll take off half a volt perhaps, leaving us with about the 4.5 volts that it needs. And there we go, the so-called black wire is going through that diode, and the red wire comes over to this one. So let's put it all together and see if these changes work. Just one little note, I've put a clamp on this USB lead now while the glue sets, because I thought about strain relief, and that should work out fine. It should work out longer term anyway, rather than just snapping one day. Alright, so here I am at the desk, it's plugged into the PC, switch it on. And this is with the speaker. So now I'll just signal my wife. Okay, you ready up there? And now I'll turn it off such that it's just going to have the LED on. I'll signal again and we'll see if it just flashes. Yes, there we go. It's just flashed instead of using the speaker as well. So, nice couple of upgrades, and thank you very much again to Grandad and Old Man for the idea of using that switch. But now it's on USB, so there'll be no batteries running flat, and I've got the choice of whether to use just the LED or the LED plus the speaker. Alright, thanks very much for watching and see you next time.